Hello everyone, welcome to Java practical classes. This is our third video on conditional statement programming, and in this video we will make few more programs. So let's start. So the first program is write a program to input percentage marks and print excellent if it is greater than or equals to 80. Greater than or equals to 80 means if marks is 80 or above 80. In that case, excellent message should be displayed if your marks 50 or greater than 50 but less than 80. In that case, good, otherwise bad. Fine. So again we will use scanner class as we have to input percentage marks. So let's start. First we will create a class. In the class I am taking here marks. Now first we will import java .util .scanner, then class marks, public static void main string args. First we will create object of scanner class. Scanner obj equals to new scanner system.in. Now we will display a message system.out.println. Enter the marks. System m is missing. Fine. Now we will read the marks. We'll take a variable m of int type, then we will use the function next int. To read the marks. Now we will apply the condition. So condition is if marks greater than equals to 80, so what should be message? Message should be excellent. Else, if another condition is if marks greater than equals to 50 and marks less than 80. So we have not put equal sign over here. Why? Because 80 is included here. If your marks is 80, then message should be excellent. So here the mark should be between 50 to 79. So 80 will not be included here. Fine. In this case, what should be message? Good. System.out.println message should be good. Else, if marks is below 50, in that case message should be bad. Fine. Main close, class close. Okay, so now we will compile it. No syntax error. Now if I enter marks 85, Excellent. Fine. Okay, now one more. I am giving here 30. Bad. Fine. Now we will see the next program. Next is write a program to input percentage marks and print grade A. Now the condition will be if it is greater than equals to 80. So print it should display the message grade A. If it is greater than equals to 60, then grade B. Greater than equals to 40, grade C, and otherwise grade D. Okay. So what changes shall I do? In the same program I am making the changes. So first is if marks greater than equals to 80, then it should display grade A. Grade A. Second condition is if marks greater than equals to 60, then in that case grade B. So if marks greater than equals to 60 and less than 80. Fine. This you have to write your own. In question it is given only if marks greater than equals to 60, but it is very obvious it should be greater than equals to 60 and less than 80. In that case grade B. And the third condition, one more condition is there. So we have to write one more else if. And the third condition is if marks greater than equals to 40 and marks less than 60. Fine. Here you will not put equal sign because 60 is included in this condition. Fine. In that case it should display grade C. Grade C. Otherwise else. Otherwise means it will go to else and display grade D. System dot out dot println grade D. Fine. Okay. Now the main is closed, class is closed. Fine. Next compile it. Okay, no syntax error. So we'll check the marks 45. In 45 it should display grade C. So let's see. Enter the marks. Here I am giving 45, so it is showing grade C. Fine. Now we will see the next program. Write a program to input a number from the range 1 to 7 and print correct if the number entered is in the range, else print incorrect. Okay, so we need to input a number and check whether it is in range of 1 to 7 or not. Okay, let's start. For this I am making separate class. The class name number is already there, so I am giving the name number 1 because number is already existing here. Import java.util.scanner. Class number 1. Public static void main string args, scanner obj equals to new scanner system dot in. Now we'll display a message, system dot out dot println, enter a number. Then we will read that number, int x equals to obj dot next int now we will apply the condition if x greater than equals to 1 or greater than 0 also can be given, greater than 0 or greater than equals to 1. Fine. If x greater than equals to 1 and what is our range? 1 to 7, and x less than equals to 7, okay, enter a number within the range of 1 to 7. This is the correct message. Fine. Enter a number within the range of 1 to 7. Now condition if x greater than equals to 1 and x less than equals to 7. If the condition is true, then only it should display the message correct, otherwise incorrect, else fine. Main close, class close. Okay, fine. Now first we will compile it. We missed the semicolon here. Fine. Okay. Compile it. No syntax error. Enter a number within the range 1 to 7. If I give 8, so it should print wrong or incorrect. Incorrect we have given, so incorrect. Fine. I hope it is clear. That's it in this video. So thanks for watching. Thank you.